Where it's coming from is essentially water damage or catastrophic weather occurrences that are happening in Canada. Some people relate it to climate change, whatever, but basically there's more catastrophic events happening that are larger in magnitude, and again, they're happening more frequently. So across the board, companies are paying out more money than they're collecting. The response. Two ways to respond to this. Either you're going to get a massive increase, as I understand it, 20, 30, even 40% you're going to see on your policy this year. I don't care what company you happen to be with, it's going to be right across the board. The only exception to that are companies that, rather than collecting enough money to pay the claims, there's some companies that are just going to start changing policy wordings. This is where, you know, you need to go talk to someone who knows what they're doing. A broker, okay, who works on your behalf. Not a company that's a direct writer where you're asking their agent how things work. Again, it's, you know, that's an employee working for a company. Rather get a broker that's going to work for you. But what they're changing is you're going to find that they're limiting, you know, water damage or wind. So, you know, rather than having, you know, $200,000 or $300,000 or $400,000, $500,000 in total water damage coverage, because it includes all the coverage on your policy, companies are saying, you know what, we're not paying it any more than $25,000 in water damage. That's the second way for a company to deal with this issue. What I would tell you is that $25,000 or even $50,000 is not nearly enough. With the extensive basement renovations that have taken place for a lot of people, and people are going to understand that. Everyone has a developed basement these days to get more square footage. Or things like having you know, washing facilities and these types of things. They've gone from the basement and they've gone up to, you know, the second floor. Again, now when you've got water damage from a stove or the laundry machines, you're getting damage through multiple floors. Again, increasing, you know, the damage. So two ways to deal with it. Either you're getting a massive increase or you're getting less coverage.